If you start getting shots while sprinting, tap on the gun and prone button together to prone quickly. Here's a comparison between doing it normally and doing it using the trick. You'll see a warehouse over here. You can climb over the metal in this manner and walk towards the corner. Now aim towards the entrance and kill your enemies as soon as they come. You can break a door and damage your opponent's health using a Molotov in this way. Some cool tricks of killing enemies in this building are: Number 1, you can stand on this boundary to peek and fire. Number 2, you can jump over here from the balcony to kill enemies in the small room. When you burst the tires of your enemy's vehicle, make sure to burst those which are connected to the engine. If it's a UAZ, burst the front tires. If it's a Dacia, then again burst the front tires. If you're in an intense battle and you start reloading a weapon which still has ample bullets to kill an enemy, you can cancel the reload by quickly clicking on the weapon twice. Now you can take the fight easily. While playing a TDM match, you can come to the center and climb over these boxes. Now jump over here and wait for your enemies to take some easy kills. You can jump out of a moving boat without taking any damage. You can push a boat back into the water by using any vehicle in this manner. You don't make any sound while landing if you punch in the air just before landing. Here's the normal case. Press the punch button and prone button at the same time. You'll then start punching continuously without the need to press any button. It's useful in the initial phases of the game when you don't have a gun.